don't record me.
Why not?
Because I don't want to.
So you jogged 7 laps today?
Yes. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Ah. You had fun?
Yes, and in kickball, I was honest today because I had to do rock, paper, scissors with him because whoever got the most laps got to be first kicker. So they got to choose, and he did scissors. They thought I did rock, but he was like this, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. But I was like this, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. But everybody thought, but it was like this, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. So really, he beat me, and I was honest, and I said it. So he chose, and he said kicker, and we killed them.
You killed him?
Yes, they at the first time when they were kickers, you didn't know what was happening. So yeah, they got like 3 or 4, but then after they didn't get any more, and we got like 10.
So see, for being honest, you still won.
Yes.
See, you took the best route there, buddy. I'm proud of you.